YouTubers, Helmet Head here again. So today I want to talk about Harley Davidson. Now, Harley Davidson is a big topic for a lot of people. It's iconic, isn't it? I mean, what a brand and what a marketing they've got as well. And how I'd suggest, if you're thinking of Harley, to give you an idea about Harley's background, I watched it's more of a series than a documentary, and how accurate and not accurate it is I don't know, but I really enjoyed it. On Discovery Channel, a good year or so ago, they did a thing called Harley and the Davidsons, and basically it takes you through the beginning of Harley Davidson, and I won't go in too much into it, obviously, because I don't want to spoil it for anybody, but it goes on right from the beginning and how they started, and what the guys did when basically they finished and the brand carrying on. Quite funny about that though, I recorded that on Sky, and I changed my box, and I lost it. So I was like, oh, do you know what, I really liked watching that every once in a while, because it is really good. So I thought, right, I'll order it. Can't find it anywhere. Looked in a load of the what's left, I should say, of places that sell DVDs, and they don't. You could buy it on Amazon. That was pretty handy, but I wanted a copy of it because I wanted a proper copy, and that's rare for me. I normally buy everything online and keep it online. But anyway, so a diversion coming up. That's life. I'll diversion that way. We'll follow these people, shall we? So. Yeah, what was I going to say? What's important here? So Harley and the Davidson. So I ordered this DVD online, thinking I'd save myself some money as well. Waited a while, it arrived, sat down, poured myself a glass of wine, opened the pack of Rebels. Here we go. Looking forward to this. I haven't seen it for a little bit of time now. Put the DVD in. This DVD is not compatible. Huh? Looked on the back, and in the UK we're Region 2. I'd only gone and bought a Region 1 DVD. Brilliant. So I waited till my birthday, and my lovely wife hunted it down and bought it from me. But I don't think you can get it in this country. I could be wrong, because I think it's also an import, but it was a Region 2 import, and I've watched it since, and it is brilliant, fantastic. Anyway, back to Harley Davidson, what's more important. So the one thing I find about Harley, now I ride past the Harley garage quite a lot, and the Harley garage that I ride past is actually in a nice, beautiful, historic town called Uppingham, and it is a stunning town to ride through. Very antique-y kind of place. But anyway, I ride past Uppingham Harley Davidson, and the bikes are all lined up outside, and they've got a little burger van and stuff there. But I ride past and I see the bikes, and I believe they're called, a lot of them are the Harley Ironhead. They've got all sorts there though, and I ride by and I just go, God, don't they look sexy? And I mean, they are cool looking bikes, very cool looking bikes. Oh, hang on, we've got people who can't, let's not go that way. And they're really cool looking bikes, so I generally look at it and I'm just like, I really, really, really want one. I want to have a go on one. I've never ridden one. I don't know what's wrong with me. I do know what's wrong with me. If I ride one and they're as cool as they look, you know I'm going to sit there going, I want it and I'm going to buy it. Then that's not what I want to do at the moment. Just turn up with another bike at home. Hello, darling, I've bought another motorcycle. But they just look awesome. The interesting thing as well is Harley in the last few years have released the Triumph Street, and it's £6,000 entry level Harley. Now, it's not made in the USA, but it's still a Harley, and it's their entrance level, and it's got the badge on. And the first version looked okay. The mixed reviews, hard suspension and things like this are the things that I saw come up on YouTube, and it's quite tempting. They brought out a newer version now, an improved version that looks that bit better, and I've seen it in the flesh, and I've gone, I like that. That's proper nice. So that's sort of one to consider. You're thinking brand new, £6,000. Now, if anybody's actually got one of these and they want to leave a few comments on, I'd be quite interested to read them. Because it's a Harley for £6,000. Well, hey. Now, obviously, they go into the really big Harleys, and they're huge and massive, with the big plastic fronts round them. Not my cup of tea. I like the more sort of stripped back versions, and sort of the custom looking ones. Obviously standard as much as possible with me, but yeah, I like that. And I don't know if anybody else rides past a Harley garage and just goes, oh, they're cool, or a Harley goes by and you go, oh, listen to that. So who knows, maybe one day in the future I'll walk into a Harley garage and I'll buy one. But for now, I'm obviously sticking to what I'm sticking to. But I think Harley look cool. And again, please take my suggestion. Watch that TV program I told you about. Especially if you've got obviously Amazon when you're buying it or whatever, because it is a really good insight into Harley and the history. It literally, you watch it at the end and you just go, I want to go and buy one now. Anyway, that's Helmet Head saying goodbye. Do us a favour as always, if you've not subscribed, tick that box, keep watching the videos, give me a thumbs up, drop us a comment, and remember, stuff you want to see I will produce. I've had a comment recently, and the one that's coming up probably been released by now actually, about safety and things. So I will do the videos you guys want me to do, and I will talk about it. Even if I haven't got the experience, I'll have a little bit of a review, and I'll be honest about not having the experience, like I've never owned a Harley Davidson. Anyway, take care, see you next time, bye bye.